Hi everyone, Brenda Gustin here, and we are on week number 9, microbial genetics. Now, microbial genetics, I did the lectures a lot like we did with metabolism. There's a lot more in the chapter than what we could possibly cover in this course or need to cover in this course. And so definitely follow the lecture study guide. I highly recommend that you use the lecture videos for these to complete your lecture study guide. And just because you can get it from the book, it's all there. In fact, I still recommend that you read the highlighted parts of the book and look at figures and whatnot to reinforce it. But I recommend using the lecture videos and going through the different sections from the videos to complete the lecture study guide. And there's a couple things in the lecture study guide, like diagrams that I refer to. So complete your lecture study guide using the lecture videos. You can go back and look over on the highlighted parts in your book, and then you can do the lecture assignment. In fact, I'll move this up here, right there. Then you can do the lecture assignment. The lecture assignments, just like the ones that we've done in the past with the adaptive learning. So good luck with that. And then we have lab number 9, and this one's does the scientific method, and then we're actually going to do learn something about how do you count the number of bacteria in the sample in a sample, and then we're going to apply that, use the scientific method to test that. Some of you will find this challenging, and it's because there's some math in there, and you can't just fluff over it. You have to understand it. So look over that lab. I highly recommend that you do not wait till the last minute, because now you're in a rush and you're panicking, and you're trying to learn a little bit of math and some concepts that are a little challenging. That being said, once you understand these things, it's a pretty straightforward process, and I give you a lot of practice. If you're struggling, contact me. I'm really glad to help. I did this lab last summer. In fact, I did the lab, I've changed it a little bit for this semester just to make it a little bit more streamlined and hopefully a little bit easier for students. But at the end of that lab, a lot of people did fine, but some people said, oh, I just didn't understand it and I just skipped it over it. And if you don't understand it, talk to me. This is something we do in the live lab, and I can get most students to understand how to do this by, just a little more practice. So if you need some help, definitely email me. We might be able to resolve your problem by email, but if not, we can arrange to see each other live on the internet or just talk on the phone. So don't wait to the last minute, because I don't want to do that over the weekend. I'd rather do it during the week. In fact, I can't guarantee you can reach me over the weekend. So try to get going on the lab early this week. There's 2 virtual labs and a lab quiz. Your adaptive learning is only worth 5 points this week, and the lab is only worth 10. But there's a lot of material, so get to work on it. Good luck. As the time that I'm doing this video, the due date for exam number 2 has not passed. So I will comment on exam number 2 in another video. Good luck this week. Remember, at the end of week 9 is the last week to drop a class with a W. So if you're thinking of dropping a class, you might want to go, any class, not just my class, you might want to go to the Enrollment Advising Center in the Commons and talk to them about that and see how it impacts your progress in your financial aid. But hopefully everybody in here will make it. If you need to talk about that to me, again, contact me. I'd be glad to talk to you. Have a great week. Take care.